Redmi phones can sometimes freeze, become slow, or unresponsive, which is frustrating. In this video, we'll explain the main causes and show 10 easy ways to fix a frozen Redmi phone. Part 1. What could be responsible for Redmi phone frozen? Too many apps, outdated system, cache buildup, battery saver, overheating, problem apps, low storage, hardware issues, corrupted files, virus or malware. Part 2. How to fix Redmi phone frozen in 9 basic ways. Fix 1. Restart to clear temporary files. Press and hold the power button. Tap restart or reboot to restart the phone. Restarting the phone closes background processes and clears temporary system files. Fix 2. Force stop unused apps. To force stop unused apps on a frozen Redmi Note K or Turbo series, go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps. Find the app that is unresponsive or not in use and tap Force Stop. Fix 3. Clear cache data. Open Settings, Storage, Cache Data, or use the Security app. Proceed to Cleaner or Deep Clean, tap Clear Cache. Fix 4. Disable battery saver. Go to Settings, Battery and Performance, and turn off battery saver or ultra battery saver. Make sure your battery level is above 20%, because low battery or saver modes can limit background performance and cause the Redmi to respond slowly. Fix 5. Check hardware via SIT mode. Open the phone app, dial 6484 or 64663. Run the hardware tests to detect any malfunctioning components like the touchscreen, sensors, or memory. This can help you identify issues that software fixes cannot resolve. Fix 6. Check for Android updates. Repeat Fix 2 by going to Redmi Settings, About Phone System Update. Download and install. Keeping your system updated ensures compatibility with apps and reduces the chances of freezes caused by outdated software. Fix 7. Backup and factory reset. Backup your Redmi data to a computer, Google account, Mi Cloud, or external storage. Then go to Settings, About Phone, Factory Reset, and follow the instructions. Fix 8. Safe mode. Hold power off until reboot to safe mode appears. Tap OK. If the phone works, a third-party app is likely causing the freeze. Part 3. How to troubleshoot Redmi phone frozen with an expert program. Frozen Redmi phones can be effectively repaired using Android Repair. This software targets system glitches to fix issues like boot loops, black screens, and unresponsive devices. How to fix a frozen Redmi phone with Android Repair. 1. Begin by installing and launching Android Repair on your computer. After that, select System Repair from the program interface and connect your Redmi phone to the computer using a USB cable. 2. From the left-hand menu, choose Android Repair. The tool will display the various issues related to Redmi that it is capable of resolving. Examine the available options and click on Start. Enter your device info, click Next, type 000000 and select Confirm. Case 1 Home button, turn off the device. Press Sprint plus Home plus Power plus Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, then press Volume up to enter download mode. Case 2. For devices lacking a home button, power off the device, then press and hold the Power, Bixby, and Volume down buttons for roughly 10 seconds. After releasing, press Volume up. 4. Once the Redmi is in download mode, click Next to initiate the firmware download. Ultimately, the software will automatically commence the repair of the frozen Poco.